Hello student, you are welcome on ErSolve.com. Today we are going to discuss one of the assignment, that is individual course database project assignment. Instructions and rubrics are given in this. Here we need to develop using a database software. We need to design a customer system for auto sales. Here this is the there is given some database, like here some records are given, and based on that records, here customer record is given, customer having customer ID, last name, first name, address, TC are given in this, and based on these data we need to develop some diagram in which these data are interrelated to each other. So from this given data we need to design a we need to design a database. We need to design entity relationship diagram. So firstly we can see this is the required entity relationship diagram. Here customer having certain attributes like a customer ID, zip code, address, last name, first name, address, shipment number. So these data we have traced from this given file, that's a customer here it is mentioned about that a customer having some customer ID, customer name, first name, last name, and this zip code, phone number, and age. Means customer having these kind of attributes, and we have to create a entity for that's name is customer. Here we have created that entity, here customer, and we can say that customer having certain attributes as per this given data. Now the second table is cars having some car ID, color, make, means which company it is going to build, and price of this car. So means we need to implement diagram based on the based on these tables, which is given in Excel file. So after this we after the detailed analysis, we have found the relation between the customer, car, and sales and employees. These are the relationship that we can see. This is the entity relationship diagram for the given data. So here we need to develop some reports how we are making this interconnection between these given data from this, because here the assignment requirement is we have to develop diagram. Here it says that we need to develop diagram, and we need to design we need to create a report in APA format, and here rubrics of this assignment is given. We can see here define the problems weight, means these are the weightage of that requirement we have developed accordingly, and this kind of thing we are going to develop in this website. We are providing assignment help, live programming help. If you are getting stuck in your programming assignment, then you can feel free to contact me. We are here to help, and you can contact me by my mail ID, that is abhyasbook@gmail.com, or you can approach us by using www.ersolve.com. Thank you.